ladder dancers, here's the third video of our three-part series. So we're going to do our swings. We start with, being your mirror again, your right arm, and we're going to swing back and forward and cross, back and drop, up and over and up. This little side drop, you think about your ear going toward the floor, up and over, all the way around, the other arm swoops out, and then as a reminder from last week, we step out and we cross our arms. And here are our little table plane swings. We swing 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, all the way up and over, bringing it back to parallel, little releve. Now after that little releve, you're going to soften the knees as you do a quick roll down, roll out to plank, go into downward facing dog, soften the knees again as you walk back towards your feet, rolling up and bringing the other arm up to start the combination all over again. So as we do this, I want you to think about where your focus is going. Your focus can go back with that hand and across. Think about where it goes when you drop, both to the side and to the front. And look down at the floor for the plank and out beyond your knees for the downward facing dog. So really start to concentrate on where the focus goes. Finding your parallel position to start. We're going to start with the right side. 5, 6, 7, 8, and drop back, and cross, and back, and forward, up, side, up and around, and step out. Now table plane. Up and over, little releve, soften the knees as you walk out to plank, and downward facing dog, pressing those heels on the floor, softening your elbows just a little bit, and walk back towards your feet, dropping your hands down, moving between your knees, and rolling up. Another arm comes up, dropping down, back, and cross, and back. Looking towards your belly button, up and over, out toward me, and over. Step out, and twist. Left arm comes up, and right arm replaces, and roll down, all the way back down to plank, looking at the floor. Now, sits bones up toward the ceiling, heels toward the floor with soft elbows, and walk your hands back, and rolling up and down, and cross, and back to your belly button, up and over, all the way around, and step it up. Cross. Little releve, and roll down, all the way out to plank, downward dog, and walk your hands back, left arm for the last time back, and cross, back, and hold, up and over, all the way around, step out, and table plane. Left arm comes up, then right arm follows, little releve, then roll down, out to plank, to downward dog, and walk your hands back, and rolling up. Roll the shoulders back, shake it out. Woo! Good job, dancers. I hope that this little 3-part modern dance warm-up class really helped you. I hope you take good care of yourselves and good care of all of the loved ones around you. And I hope to see you all in class soon. Love you. Bye.